Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to upload YouTube Shorts from your PC. Alright, so let's begin with the video. First, you need to have the Shorts video on your computer. Here is my short, and if we open it, you can see that the video is in a 9:16 format, which is the correct format for YouTube Shorts. It should be in a vertical format and not horizontal. Make sure your video is in the correct format, and YouTube should automatically recognize it as a short. Next, log into your YouTube account. Go to Create in the top right-hand corner and click Upload Video. Once you've done that, it will take you to YouTube Studio, where you can select the file or drag it onto the page. I'm going to select the file. Once selected, as you can see, it highlight here Short. At first, YouTube didn't recognize it as a short, but what I did was add Hap Shorts in the title. Once I typed that in, YouTube recognized it as a short. You don't actually need to keep Hap Shorts in the title when you post it, so you can delete it afterward. Now, you need to add a title. I added this title, Nature Seems Beautiful. Make sure to add a catchy title, because when people are scrolling, they might pick out some keywords. You can also add a description, but since descriptions aren't shown much on Shorts, they aren't that relevant. I wouldn't recommend writing long descriptions. Just a couple of lines to describe it. Next, you can change the thumbnail if you want. However, on YouTube for PC, you currently can't set a custom thumbnail for Shorts, but you can do this using the YouTube app. Then select if it's made for kids. If it's not made for kids, click No, Not Made for Kids, and then click No for age restriction content. Now we wait for it to process. Mine is taking a while, but that's okay. Now click Next. You don't need to add a related video, but if your short is part of a longer video, you can add the full video link. However, for this, your account needs to be verified. Since I'm not verified, I won't do that now. After that, click Next again and wait for the processing to complete. While waiting, upload the video as unlisted. Then click Save. Once that's done, go to your YouTube account, click on YouTube Studio, go to Videos, and then go to Shorts. Here is the uploaded YouTube short. Now just click on it and make sure that it has fully processed. You can see that it's in HD and 4K now, so I'll change it from unlisted to public and click Publish. Then go back, and after refreshing, you can see the Shorts tab has now appeared. So that's basically how you can upload YouTube Shorts from your PC. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.